Hello friends, welcome back to Neela TEWARI YouTube channel. So friends, today I'm seeing without using volume less button and without using power button. We obviously know we will use those two buttons to take screenshot, but without using, do you know? So today I'm going to say how to take. So first of all, we have to go for settings. In settings, let's click the settings. So here's settings, so let's put it up. So here is accessibility. In this, here's a man photo also will be like this. So go and press that. If you press that, here you can see this one. We have to touch that. Okay, here fourth one, this is first, then this is second, third and fourth one. You can see, no, this, that one we have to press. Afterwards, here is assistant menu. So let's press assistant menu. So if we on means we can see this. So this is called assistant menu. From this we can take screenshot. So here is our home page. From home page, let's click this home page photo. Okay, so here we press this and here screenshot is there. Here many options are there. Here also, look, here came, and in that many options will be, you can see, but we need only screenshot. So let's press screenshot. Now look, it have taken screenshot. It in Samsung phone. I'm saying in Samsung phone without pressing volume less button and without pressing power button. How to take screenshot I have said. You can also try this in your mobiles of Samsung. Okay friends, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Neela's TEWARI YouTube channel. So let's meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.